Making your apple butter in crock pot is not only delicious, but so easy. Apple butter is often used as a spread for toast, or as a filling for pastries. It is also a popular ingredient in many fall and winter dishes. Is it possible to make apple butter in a crock pot? Yes, you can make apple butter in a crock pot. To prepare apple butter in a slow cooker, core and slice a few apples, then place them in the slow cooker with sugar and spices. Here is an easy slow cooker apple butter recipe. Ingredients list: 17 apples, or sufficiently to fill your crock pot. 2/3 cup of brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1½ cups sugar. Instructions. Apples should be peeled, cored, and sliced. Place the apple slices in the slow cooker, and add the vanilla extract. Cook for 8 hours, on low heat. Mash the apples, and season with cinnamon and sugar. Cook for another 6 hours, on low. Once the mixture has been fully cooked, puree it in a blender until smooth. That's it. Apple butter is a spread made from boiling apples with sugar and spices until they form a thick, creamy paste. It tastes similar to apple sauce, but is thicker and more intense. Make sure to like and share this easy apple butter recipe in crock pot. Visit https://slowcookersociety.com to get hundreds of free and delicious slow cooker recipes. Take care.